My name's Sam Durkin, and today we're working on an abstract painting based on a photograph. The photograph I'm working is a macro image of some cubes, but any macro image will do. This will be a digital painting, but the approach can be used on a traditional painting too. The first stage will be to use tracing paper and a 2B pencil to roughly sketch out an impression of the image. Avoid going into too much detail, we only want the outlines and the areas of shade. Now that we have our sketch done, the next stage is to add some bright colour to the background. We'll be using a primary yellow with a flat-headed oil brush. With the same brush, we add more primaries. Blue for the darkest areas, and then red for the less dark areas. Finally, we use orange to fill in the lighter areas. Now we select a dry palette knife and drag the paint over itself to create a blurred effect. Here I experiment with the smeary oil brush. But finally settle on the bristle brush. Using the tracing paper and the new brush, we get a general idea of where the dark areas are. Now we use our palette. We mix primaries together to create transitional shades and darker colours. This next stage will be about using these transitional colours to create depth in the painting. Note that at this stage we create more detail in the centre of the painting. You'll find out why we do this later on. We're using both red and blue colours in the dark areas to bring interest and highlight to the abstract. Now we see why we made the central areas more detailed, as we use a palette knife to create a blurred effect around the edge. This creates an illusion of a depth of field. We will see the final piece in a moment, so please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon as it really helps me out. If you have any questions or suggestions, please make those comments below. Links to buy this artwork can be found in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.